Good morning, people. I can see myself in the mirror. Oh no, the camera battery's still flat. I forgot about that. This morning we are just packing our bags. We have our train to Barcelona this afternoon. So our time in Paris was short-lived, but still exciting. We don't have much planned for this morning, so I guess we'll just see what happens. Come along and see what we do. Yay! We've been sitting at the train station for a while, so I've just picked up some lunch. I've got some healthy pasta salad and a fruit cup for my lunch today, so very healthy. Go Renee! Yay! We're on our first class train to Barcelona. Ravine's happy. Sun's shining today. Look at how fast we're going. We've got our own little table, lots of space, and we're on the top level, so it's like a double-decker train. So cool. Spain, here we come. Just a little snack update for Leslie. Today's train snacks include sour cream and onion Pringles and a Kit Kat Chunky. That's all.
Baby running around.
Our train is currently going 288 kilometers an hour. That's pretty fast. Wow. Good morning. The sun is rising in Barcelona. Look how pretty the sky is. Lovely. Just lovely. Morning everyone. It's now the 29th. We're in Barcelona. I've been really slack with uploading my videos lately. I'm just so tired and I don't know. Excuses. I just thought I'd quickly show you our room here. So come in the door, this little key that you have to put in. That's fun. Giant mirror. Hello. There's a cupboard with not much in it. Messy bed because we just woke up. A little desk area over here. We've chucked our bags here. The beautiful view of, we think this is a secondary school. Institut Public de Secundaria. Yep.
Secondary public school.
Secondary public school. The sky's still looking nice. And then we have our bathroom through here. We have like a mini bath shower thing. Toilet. Yeah. So very cute. We're off to go and have our breakfast now and see what the day holds. Yeah, bye. Look at this pretty building. We don't know what it is, but it's like these really pretty mosaics all the way around it. I'm gonna see if I can. Look at them. It's all mosaic. This is so pretty. I don't know what it is. Zoom out faster. Yeah, it looks really nice. That's all. Where did Praveen go? Lost him. Oh wow, look at the gates, the entrance. Hey, it's pretty. Look at the front. Wow. It dinged. Apparently it's a hospital. Come this way. Don't get run over. Is that the diagonal you were talking about?
Yeah.
We're going that way. Over here you can see this awesome sign. It says Super Meerkats. It means supermarket. But Super Meerkats. Super Meerkat. All of the Super Meerkats. Meerkats are all super here. Corey likes meerkats, doesn't he? Hey, Super Meerkat. Super Meerkat souvenirs. So this is the building that Praveen's been obsessing over. It looks like a giant cave. They've still been continuing to build on it. Let me see if I can like zoom in. It looks quite interesting. Like castle on one side and I don't know. But that's where we're going. Yay! Okay, this is pretty magnificent. There's like a Christmas tree at the top there. I mean, I can't even describe it. It just looks really interesting. It's like modern and not at the same time. It looks like it's fallen apart, but I think it's specifically meant to look like that. I don't know. But yeah, there's like all these little carvings on the inside there. Lovely. If only you could see these beautiful buildings in person. Building, it's patterned all the way up. And those details on the top. Oh my gosh. How intense. Even the one over with its purple stuff. Let me come over here. Look at this. Those balconies. Wow. Imagine living on that. It's so pretty. How cool is it? It's like mosaic. It's just so cool. Look at this fancy H&M building. Woo. I just keep filming all the H&Ms. Yeah, people still go anyway. Look at this beautiful fountain.
Oh wow. It's a dancing fountain.
I don't know if you can see it properly because the sun's hitting it.
Come on, Carl.
Praveen loves the pigeons. Oh, Praveen, no, I don't like it. Oh my gosh. Is he trying to pet them? Oh, Praveen. Oh my goodness. All the pigeons. Wow, this is pretty though. Look at it. Wow. We're going into some like little festival thingy. What is it? Yeah, they're doing like balancing it. Look, she's like lying. What is she doing?
Oh, look at the cute tables.
Oh, the pigeons! What? There's so many of them. Barcelona beach. The sun has come out so we can pretend it's summer. How pretty. It goes on for ages. And then there's like this giant fish sculpture thing. Don't know what it is, but it looks cool. Yeah. Oh, these guys are playing dominoes. Look. So cool. I'm just going through a stroll by the beach. It's very nice with the sun out. Gold sand. So cool. Remain super healthy lunch today. Looks very good. With a Coke. Yes.
Very healthy.
Yummies. Excuse me. Unhealthy lunch. Keep sneezing. It's a cheeseburger and chips. Because I like fries. Okay. I think that thing is supposed to be a giant fish. It looks interesting. Ravine just dropped his phone. I laughed at you dropping a phone. Oh, blue sky. This is the fish from this angle. It looks funny. Like a whale. So many boats. At the Barcelona port. Is this where Leslie told us to go? Praveen? Praveen?
I think so.
I mean, there's lots of boats. It goes on and on and on to the ocean. It's like interesting. Julie, I bet you'd love this. Look at this shop. I all love the Christmas stuff. Ooh. It's been to the mall, so now we have to wait for the bus to come. Praveen's really funny because he keeps thinking that we're still in France and saying bonjour and merci, and I'm like, no, hola, gracias.
Bonsoir.
Un momento, por favor. ¿Dónde está el baño? Oh, what's your sentence that you can say? Hola.
Hola, amigos.
No, not that. Hola, soy Praveen. Mucho gusto.
Oh yeah, I've forgotten that now.
Hi friends. Today I bought something that my mum is gonna love. Look at my pants. Aren't they cool? They're so colourful. They have pockets here and they're real like baggy. I love them. They were €10, like 20 bucks. No, 15.
Okay.
Colourful and rainbow. I love them. I hope you love them too, Mum, because I bought you a pair. Just kidding, she wouldn't wear them. I think they're so cool. What are we having for dinner tonight, Praveen?
Indian.
Mexican. Look how happy this little cactus is.
That's an Indian. It's got a moustache.
Such a cute little Mexican restaurant. Yum. And Praveen is having a Spanish beer. Enjoy. I'll have my water.
It just costs 20 cents more.
Praveen got tacos. I got nachos. Num. Barcelona lights. It's like curvy. Wow. This one's broken. One's not on. Where are we going now? For a stroll. Oh, look at this cool little water fountain in front of the hospital slash museum slash whatever it is. This is the water fountain. It is pretty. It lights up. How cool. It was changing colour. So cool. Hey. Right, we are back from dinner. We had a stop at the supermarket to pick up some snacks. Bought 2 bottles of water. These, for 1.5 litre of water, was 37 cents. I think that's pretty good. Got some for breakfast, some more of the yogurt and muesli stuff. That's so out of focus. Some muffins and some Special K bars. I brought some pretzels, salt and vinegar chips and some popcorn because I love popcorn. And then I just bought these lollies. Leslie, good brand, eh? I got this mixed one with the classics, and I bought the red mix which has like licorice stuff, so that should be good. We're probably gonna go to bed soon. What's the time? It's probably only like 7:30. I'm gonna shower and go to bed because I get so tired with long exploring days.
Yeah.
Hey Praveen.
You're a nana.
I'm not a nana.
You're a nana.
Ugh. So, good night. Say good night. Praveen. Praveen.
Night night.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.